bongga to siya.
Oo, mas bongga.
I am a Filipino. That is good. A Filipino ay not.
Ay, mas bongga nga.
Nagturo dyan yung atay sa simbahan.
The national anthem being played, and my blood rises when I see a cloud fluttering the breeze. And yet, I find myself asking, how Filipino am I really? My first name is American.
My last name is Chinese!
Ay,
My first name is American.
My last name is Chinese!
When I'm with your friends, or more correctly, when I'm with my friends who happen to be girls, I talk to them in English. If they are thirsty, I find a bottle of where to go. If they are hungry, I treat them to times. And when I have the money, I give them a chance to laugh. Considering all this, considering my case, formality is foreign. What right do I have to call myself a Filipino?
malayo yata eh.
Should I not call myself a cultural but legitimate child of many races?
The legitimate child of many races. 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 Right you or wrongly, we like it or not, we are the end products of our history. Fortunately or unfortunately, our history is a comedy of polyglot influences. Malayan and Chinese, Spanish and British, American and Japanese. This is our
Bamo na si... Napil ko, ayun pala nakakapagod. Nakakapagod.
Fantasy! I must confess, I am extremely confused and bewildered young man. Wherever I am, whatever I may be doing, I am bombarded on the outside by people who want me to search for my national identity. Tell me the language and speech should be related to the Filipino. They ask me to do anything is foreign, to act and think and buy Filipino.
Everything hard! I'm getting bothered and bewildered! Galing. Nakakulture siya.
The language should use Filipino as medium. The national strike. The paper should use these English for paying teams purely Filipino. They demand the composer should exert the responsibilities of the anti-Kutiman. They insist. Oh, this sounds wonderful, but we can't use Spanish when you wrote Noli and Pini. Must be less of the nationalist philosophy. Must be artists to be truly Filipino. And you listen to what?
Dito lang tayo.
And must be no feature of the rest of the Kutiman or equal parts in these things. And you need to compose the rest of the Kutiman and the rest of paper to the use of today. What? The use of today? Yes, the use of today.
Si Ahad. Marami.
Kasi become a Filipino. We are what we are today because of our history.
Advisor mo.
In our days, all the languages of Chinese, Spanish, and American. All the classes of Filipino because of this.
Oh, teachers! Our culture, it is born that... But it has to become rich, dirty.
This is how who leaders of the world to national greatness. Look at America. It is a great country. And yet, it is a melting pot of
Italia! German!
British, France,
Irish!
Philippines. After all is in our boom. Ma, I have an American first name. We have an American first name.
And I have the Chinese
We are